In a small village known for its festivals, an old man named Rion made lanterns by hand. His workshop was tiny, filled with scraps of colorful paper, bamboo sticks, and jars of glowing dye. Children loved visiting him, but adults often said he was wasting his time on a craft no one cared about anymore. One day, a young girl named Mira entered his shop. She looked sad, holding a torn lantern she tried to make for her school project. Rion gently took it from her and smiled. "A lantern isn't about being perfect," he said. "It's about bringing light, even if it flickers." He taught her how to bend bamboo without breaking it, how to choose paper that breathes with the wind, and how to paint patterns that glow at night. Mira listened carefully, amazed at the patience in his hands. She had never seen someone work so slowly, yet so purposefully. When they finished, the lantern wasn't flawless, but it was beautiful. Mira's eyes lit up brighter than the candle inside it. A few days later, the village prepared for the annual festival. Rion usually hung only a handful of lanterns outside his shop, but this year, something unexpected happened. Dozens of villagers knocked on his door, asking if he could teach their children too. They had seen Mira's lantern drifting across the night sky like a glowing star and wanted to learn the craft they once ignored. For the first time in years, Rion's workshop was full of laughter, curiosity, and color. He realized something important. His quiet passion had finally reached the hearts of others, not through selling lanterns, but through sharing what he loved. That night, hundreds of lanterns floated above the village, turning the sky into a river of light. When you share your passion with others, even the smallest craft can brighten the world in ways you never expected.